What's up, guys? Welcome back to another MSP video. So I'm saving up my fame in my profile. I have an award, but it doesn't show it. It did a second ago, but I can show you. And also I'm about to get like a 50,000 fame award, and I'll go on double fame in a couple of days to get it. So it will be 100,000 because, yeah, I need like 850k to level up. So, yeah. So I have this one, and if I go on double fame, it will give me 10,000. And then the one that I want saving up to get is the one I've been logging in for is this one. So I need 4 more days and I'll be at 90, and then I'll get like 100,000 from this on double fame. And I need a couple more games for this one, so I might do that one to get 10,000. So that would be like 120,000. So yeah. I guess enjoy the video. Oh my god. Okay.
Wish all the hashtags, likes, and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to it's all for nothing. And we fight and beg and greed, and then we go and act like something. And our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud, cause we just want attention. Alright, and we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life that fate has given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to tweets will find a way to get to the lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, you'll never see nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is a different rush. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort.
Alright guys, I'm gonna let her talk to me. So I'm gonna just end this video right here. And I will make another one later, maybe. So yeah. Bye guys.